Today I didn't wash anything. Haha, the owner stopped to wash one day. So, what I'm gonna plan for today? Ah, hey, how are you, the table? Oh, I'm fine. Oh, look at me, the rust. Oh my God. And what you gonna do for today? Oh, today I will go and greeting to many places. Okay, I will, and later I will greeting to electric fan. Oh, okay. See you later. The table. Okay, see you later. The sound of greeting from washing machine because for so long time he can take a holiday and so long time for 1 year just maybe 3-4 times a year. I'm not sure. Okay, he will greeting electric fan. Hey, electric fan, how are you today? Hey, washing machine, I'm good. Hey, but you look tired. The owner turned on you almost whole day and night. Yes, almost, but they stopped me at some time. They stopped to they switch off just sometimes, but I work hard normally at night time. Oh, you look more tired. You take a rest sometime. Electric fan, okay? Oh, okay. Thank you. And what you gonna do for today? Washing machine. I will go to department store, go to market, and go to temple. I will go many places today. Okay? Okay, see you later, washing machine. Okay, see you later, electric fan. Hey, the door, your fry is still open. Oh, you're crazy. Hey, the bird, how are you? Be careful. Be careful, electric light. Hey, no problem. Hey, the dog, delicious. Ah, yes, very delicious. Oh, look at you. Yes, a good sleep. Hey, chicken, how are you?